Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Amazon Fire TV critically low on storage. Let's go. Step 1. Open Settings, Applications, Manage installed applications, Sort App Size. Delete all applications that you don't use. Step 2. Open Downloader app. Files, delete all APK files. Step 3. Open any file manager and delete all unnecessary video files. That's it. Now you know how to fix Amazon Fire TV critically low on storage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.